Look, it's time to rethink what you know about Detroit. It's time to rethink what you know about Michigan. Detroit is one of the only places in the world where you see world-class industrial design, world-class product design, world-class graphic design, all coming together. And there's so many different interpretations and great things coming out of Detroit right now that maybe have their roots in the auto industry, but now are finding work across the spectrum of everything that makes up the American and the world economy.
I think it's really the whole process. So it's from idea, design, engineering, prototyping through to manufacturing, and logistically putting that all together. We have that whole process in place here, as opposed to just a piece of it.
We have a scientific knowledge base that we can solve complex problems with, and then we aren't willing to shy away from new customers, new problems. We work in markets that are well outside the automotive market. We work with the amusement park industry, we work in oil and gas, and the common thread that allows us to work in all these industries is our breadth of engineering knowledge.
Well, I think Michigan is a great place to do business. If you take a look at the talent that's here, the government with our new governor, Rick Snyder, is very, very pro-business. He is about creating an environment that is attractive to doing business in the state of Michigan, and as a company here, we find that very, very refreshing.
The state of Michigan has just changed our state tax structure to go from 49th worst tax structure in the United States. We are now the 7th best.
It's all about the resources that we have. You know, there's room to grow, there's room to build new businesses and expand, existing businesses. And we've got the resources, we've got the brain power, we have all of these wonderful universities. There's so much to be said for all of the things happening in this region.
Michigan is a place where things can get done. It's a great place to build business and grow business and create new business. And it's all because of the drive not only to create, but to create better. We put the world on wheels. Whatever it's been that the world has needed, Michigan has been in a place because of its intellect, its hard work, and its know-how to make it happen.
Basically, it boils down to is we do what we say we do. We've got a lot of high-tech equipment out there. We stay on the cutting edge of technology for manufacturing. We try and stay ahead of the trends that are out there and anticipate the future needs of the manufacturing base. We've got every commodity, every manufacturing niche here in Michigan that is sporadic throughout the rest of the country. So we're here, we're developed, we're ready to kick it out to the rest of the world.
Detroit suppliers always begin with the end in mind. They have a business savvy about them, and that's why this city, beyond being a sparks and steel type town, is a town of optimization, a town that understands space, weight, and power, and how to optimize those three.
The skill sets here are just tremendous. The capital equipment that's required to execute a lot of the product development that we do here in this region is here as well. So you've got the skill sets along with the capital equipment. You marry that too with some know-how, and next thing you know, you got a very, very good labor base and a great region to do business.
We tell people it's in your best interest to find out what's here in Michigan, and we'll offer our resources to hold your hand the whole way to make sure you're getting in touch with exactly who you need to.
So why Michigan? Because we're shattering stereotypes every single day. Because we have the best supply chain in the world. Because there's never been a better time to do business here.